Okay, my name is Marquise Miller, and I'm going to be presenting to you Playmaker today. Okay, this is just a little simulation of what Playmaker is going to look like. Just shows that you can move your plays and you can draw a route. Just tell your players where they're going to go. And then you can watch it in motion. Here it's going to go in motion. So it's going to look a little bit like that. That's just a preview of it. Okay. Playmaker was created because I want to help a lot of players remember their plays. Sometimes when they go to the next level, whether it be the NFL or college, plays tend to get a little harder, and I know if I can create something like Playmaker, I can help them out, because a lot of players and a lot of people use their apps, use their phones on a daily basis, and they like to stay in contact and stay connected with people through their devices. And I've done research that shows this. Most of the time people are on their phones or on their devices, and if I can create something for their device, they can easily look at their device and remember their plays, whether it's a smartphone, a tablet, or anything like that. Okay, the goal, I just wanna make it easy for the coaches to send out their plays also. Since they're always on their phones, the players and the coaches, it'll be easy for them to send out their plays and just stay connected with their players and with their teammates and their coaches. That's just a brief summary of the goals. The key features is the motion. There are a lot of apps and different ways for players to learn their plays, but I believe with the motion it'll really help them, because living in a digital age today, it's really advanced. So if I can make the plays actually move, they would really be interested in that, and it would help them pay attention to the plays instead of just trying to keep up with it for a couple hours or something like that. Another feature that's a good feature is sending out the plays. If a coach comes up with a play in the middle of the night or something like that, they can just send it out to the whole team, the team and the players. So those are two features, the motion and sending out plays. Okay, this is the corporate identity system. I only have I'm only using 4 colors just to keep it simple and easy for them to pick it up. The logo, I really wanted the X's and the O's are there just to give the user an idea of what they're looking at. I want them to be able to look at the logo and say, okay, it looks like a football play, so they're going to be making some kind of play, or it has to do with football. So I just want them to see that and just get that idea. Okay, this is a corporate identity package. This is kind of just trying to keep it simple. Just wanted to keep it simple. Just want to have the website on there also, so when someone gets a business card, they can they can see the website and just go to the website and check out the app and download it from there. Okay, these are a couple posters, a couple advertisements I have. I really wanted to keep it consistent, and just so when somebody sees the poster, they get an idea of what the app does. I didn't want to leave any of that out. I just wanted them to see that they can create a play, and they can send plays out also. I didn't want to leave these out at all because I don't want one person to see this ad and it doesn't have the capabilities on it and they're like, okay, so what does it do? So I just wanted to keep those on there. Just make sure those are on there, have the devices on there, just to make sure they see what the app can be downloaded on. And I just wanted to make sure this is on here. Watch in motion, because that's the main, one of the main features of the app is the motion. Okay, this is an outdoor or out of home ad. I just wanted to create something big so they can see, like a big phone on here, just so they can see the phone and it'll get their attention right away. I don't want to make it too hard for them. I don't want them to look at the ad and kind of wonder, oh, what does this do? What kind of ad is this? Because if they're just walking by it real fast, it's gonna be hard for them to take the time out to just sit and look at it. Okay, this is the magazine spread. Also just wanted to show the devices on here, what they can use the app on. We have a smartphone and we have a tablet. I just wanted to make it simple with the fields on here. I just wanted to keep the field on here as much as possible because this is what they're gonna see when they use the app. This is like the main page is gonna be the field, so I want to show that as much as possible. This is the home page. They'll see that, and then I want them to be familiar with it, so they can see the home screen here, and then when they download the app, like, okay, I saw this before, so they'll already be familiar with it. Okay, this is a newsletter. I just wanted to create something simple because sometimes people don't sign up for the newsletter. So when they do, I want it just to be simple. I don't want them to have to do too much. I just want them to just read it and just kind of sign up for more, so we can send out our updates and any changes or highlights or anything like that. Also have the social media pages down here. Okay, this is a good look of what the app is going to look like. This is the home page, and this is the field screen. And these are just the different features of what they can do with the play. They can save the play. They're going to send a play, watch the play in motion. They can edit the play, and they can also draw the routes. Like, where is he going to go? He's going to go here, and this person's going to block for him. And he should be free right there. Okay, here's a couple of the promotional items. We will have more, but this is just a couple of them. We have a hat, we have a cool t-shirt, and a bag that they can use for just about anything. Okay, the social media campaign. We're going to use Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Instagram, I'm going to use a lot of the motion, just to show how the plays move in motion. Instagram does this pretty well. They have a lot of features for video, so I'm going to use that. Videos are really popular today, so I'm gonna use that as much as I can, as much as videos as I can. Also I'm gonna do that with Twitter and Facebook. All three of those use video pretty well. I'm gonna try to show as many features as I can, like creating a play, sending out a play, really moving the players where they would be, or where they would want to go. I just want to give them an idea of what they can do with the app. I want to make it as powerful as possible. I want them to be able to do everything, customize any play, anywhere, anything like that. Also on defense and offense. I'm going to use the hashtags as much as possible, because hashtags really help when trying to connect with other people. So I'm going to use that as much as possible. I think I searched the hashtag last time and it was like 30,000 people or 1 million people or something like that. So that's something I'm really going to use a lot. I'm going to use that a lot. Facebook ads are really helpful. So I'm definitely going to use the Facebook ads. I believe I got like 700 views on my last Facebook ad. And without Facebook ads, I think I had like 15 or something like that. And the Facebook ads really connect with people that I didn't know. So that really helps, just connecting with people that connect with me. So that really helped a lot. Okay.